Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you would replace your hatch support. It's a hydraulic support, and say you have one on both sides, and if one wears out they both, the one isn't designed to hold the whole thing up. So say it's not able to hold it up the way it needs to. This is how you replace one. If you replace one, you should replace both of them at the same time. And these are specific to the left and the right side, and so you would have to buy the ones left and right to replace them because it's held on by a bracket. And you'll see. So first we'll need to pop the hatch and raise it up, and you'll need to support it up or have a helper with you to keep it raised up. So to start with, we'll just go ahead and release this top piece. The top one is just held on by a clip and the ball, and so you just need to get a screwdriver under the little clip there, and we just pop it back a little bit. You're able to pop it back a little bit and get off that ball there. This one you also needed to use a little bit of pry force there. Now, up here on this particular model, it doesn't have just a ball end on this side. You need to undo those two bolts there, and they are a size 10. Alright, so with the strut has been fully removed, now we can go through the process to reinstall one. So you would take your new one, and then this has a little rubber gasket that's under there. It will also hold the screws or bolts into place a little bit. And this also has the L for the left side, telling us which ones go where. Left and right, and like I said, these are very specific to the sides that they have to go on. So then you just line it up. Tighten those bolts, and then once those are tightened, you should be able to raise this up and be able to snap that back onto place. And so that then you'll do the same and replace the other side and make sure that it's all good. And then when it's all good, then you would be able to see that it raises up the shocks there, and that would be how you would replace your gas lift struts on the back of the hatch of your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.